reason why I chose to come to Coleg Cambria, and especially the North of campus, is because I really liked the settings and the environment it was in. I first came to an open evening, and when I drove up I got the wow factor straight away from the views and everything that you get from here. What I enjoy most about being in college is the fact that we are hands-on with all the animals. We are taught by various different tutors that have all got different backgrounds. Some of them come from zoo backgrounds and other different animal related backgrounds, so they all bring their own little individual sort of experiences into it. I am preparing to go on to uni after college, so the college environment has really got me ready for that sort of university environment. I feel really supported by the staff here at Coleg Cambria. Anything that I don't know or I am unsure about, I can approach any staff member and they will help. If they don't know the answer, they will find the answer out for me. My best memories of being here at Coleg Cambria have got to be getting over some of my fears. Things of snakes and spiders, I wouldn't even go anywhere near them. Now I'm handling them, feeding them, which is great. So being here at Coleg Cambria, I have now gained lifelong friends. The environment is very friendly and relaxed. Also at Coleg Cambria, as part of your curriculum, you are doing work experience. So you go out into the field, you do full day's work. You get to put all that knowledge that you learn here at Coleg Cambria into practice.
The things I like most about studying at Llysfasig is their extensive range of animals, including amphibians, reptiles, rodents, birds and fish. Altogether there's over 60 species of animals here at the centre. I like the good practical component of the course because it helps balance out the theory work. I also like the range of modules such as vet nursing and zoology and that. Another thing I like about studying at Llysfasig is that we get to do work experience in animal related industry. In the future, I'd like to become a veterinary nurse, and Llysfasig has helped me to aim towards this by allowing us to do work experience and to give us a vet nursing module, which will help to look good on my CV.
I think a workplace diploma is good because it provides me with real life skills that I can use on the job. The best part is I get to work with dogs, which has been my life's dream, really. I enjoy my apprenticeship because it allows me to have industry experience, which makes me more employable in the future.
My name's Louise and I'm doing a course at Cambria. I wanted to do an apprenticeship to get practical skills while I was working. I love my job because I get hands-on experience with the animals and I also get the support from the college. My apprenticeship has helped me to learn and earn at the same time, and I've also gained valuable experience. I enjoy doing my course because I get support while I'm working and assessed while I'm learning. I love doing my apprenticeship because it's allowed me to work with animals and do a job that I really enjoy.
So I chose to come to Coleg Cambria, Norfolk, because I was looking down the sixth form route and I felt it wasn't for me because it was more academic than hands-on, and I felt like if I was more hands-on with the animals, it would push me to that career. Everyone's really friendly here, it's a nice friendly environment. So I've wanted to go into higher education, and I feel like college has helped me with time management and socialising a lot, as well as be more independent with my assignments and stuff. So the best thing about being at college for me, I feel, is working with the reptiles, as they are my favourite species of animals. Feeding snakes is really entertaining, as you get to see how they feed, how they stalk their prey before actually attacking it.
In Llysfasig, I like it because we get to do educational trips, which helps break up our course for the zoo module. We get to go on the farm and do farm-based work, which helps us show different industries. In the future, I'd like to become a veterinary nurse. Llysfasig is helping me do this by allowing me to go to UCAS events to show me what universities are out there. I like Llysfasig because it's a small campus and it's easy to access the staff and the facilities.